Guys, and welcome. Today I've decided to make an animation all about mathematics. So I have decided to show you my process and guide you along the way. So the first thing I do is I open the Canva app. I also put to mind what I want to do and what my animation would look like. Chose a transition and I wanted it to be like a game. I picked the elements that I wanted, like the main character Corgi for the game animation I made. So I finished editing it in KineMaster. Finished editing and I will show you the finished product of my animation. Fun making the animation, and I learned a lot of things about mathematics in nature, and that math was always made to define nature, and that God gave us this gift for us to nourish and to learn a lot of things from it.